I think one of the things that might come up is that naturally some of the objections will be, well, features, they don't take a couple hours to build. They could take weeks, if not months, to finish doing it. And I think that's a fair point. But this is why the other aspect of this is we don't really have time to get into it, but this is why you also need to leverage feature toggles. So when you're building a feature, you incrementally build the feature. So let's use Platform Hub, which we recently released last year. When we built it, it wasn't like we just released Platform Hub onto the world and said, okay, good luck everybody else. It was a very slow thing. So like for example, we have a brand new section in Octopus Deploy. Well, one commit basically added that brand new section, and then another commit went through and said, okay, not commit, but another branch came through and said, all right, now we're going to add permissions. Now we're going to do this small thing. And so you're making a very small incremental approach. And then over time, that's what builds out the feature. And then ultimately, that's really what you're doing in those long running feature branches is you're making those incremental changes. The big difference is that when you kind of come to a good stopping point and you say, all right, this is ready to get merged into main, and I'm just going to do it right now. And so that is kind of like that big difference between the two.